10 ways to get free. Cryptocurrency has gained immense popularity, and many individuals are looking for ways to acquire digital currencies without spending money. Here are 10 effective methods to earn free crypto. Airdrops. Cryptocurrency projects often distribute free tokens to holders of existing coins to promote their project. To participate, individuals may need to sign up and complete specific tasks, like following social media accounts or holding a certain amount of another cryptocurrency in a wallet. Faucets. Crypto faucets are websites that give away small amounts of cryptocurrency in exchange for completing simple tasks, such as CAPTCHA verification or viewing ads. Users can gradually accumulate coins by claiming rewards regularly. 3. Staking. Some cryptocurrencies allow users to earn rewards by holding and locking up their tokens in a wallet for a certain period. This process is known as staking, enabling holders to earn additional coins as rewards. Mining. While it generally requires significant investment in hardware and energy, some individuals can mine cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, earning rewards in the form of coins for validating transactions on the blockchain. Referral programs. Many exchanges and crypto-related services offer referral bonuses. By inviting friends to sign up and trade, users can earn a percentage of trading fees or receive free tokens as a reward. Bounty programs. Crypto projects often launch bounty campaigns that reward participants for completing specific tasks, such as promoting the project on social media, writing articles, or developing software. Participants can earn tokens in exchange for their efforts. Education platforms. Websites and exchanges like Coinbase offer free cryptocurrency for completing educational courses. Users can learn about different digital assets and get small amounts of crypto as a reward for their participation. Social media engagement. Many crypto projects engage their communities through giveaways or contests on platforms like Twitter or Telegram. By participating in these, users can win free tokens or coins. Liquidity mining. Some decentralized finance (DeFi) platforms reward users for providing liquidity to their pools. Individuals can earn additional tokens based on the amount of capital they contribute, which generates trading fees. 10. Trading bonuses. Cryptocurrency exchanges sometimes offer bonuses to new users who trade a specific volume within a defined period. These bonuses can come in the form of free crypto or trading credits. By leveraging these methods, individuals can effectively acquire cryptocurrency without any initial financial investment.